Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2026 at 15:40, and today we have our Day 2 Outlook to look at for today. I do apologize for being a little late to the video as I was parking garage hunting on my other channel on a live stream earlier today. So, anyway, in the meantime, I am now here to do the Day 2 Outlook, so let's go ahead and get that done here. So, in the Day 2 Outlook here, oh, where'd it go? Here it is. Day 2 Outlook, we've got an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of southern Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, Colorado, and northwestern and northern Kansas. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Wyoming, southwestern, South Dakota, northwestern to central Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, northeastern to southern Kansas, eastern Colorado, and northern Oklahoma. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, much of Oklahoma. Actually, I will say western to northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, western to northern Missouri, western Illinois, southwestern Iowa, northeastern Nebraska, and southwestern South Dakota. We also have a marginal risk out here that encompasses parts of western to northern Utah and southern Idaho. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So we have Salina, Manhattan, Kearney, Garden City, and Hastings under the enhanced. Kansas City, Wichita, Lincoln, Overland Park under the slight, and Omaha, Des Moines, Amarillo, Salt Lake City, and Fort Collins under the marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 5% tornado threat, hatched tornado threat that encompasses northeastern Wyoming, northern Kansas, and southwestern to central Nebraska. We have a 5% normal that encompasses central and northeastern Kansas and southeastern Nebraska. We have a 2% that encompasses parts of northeastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, eastern Wyoming, parts of northwestern to central Nebraska, southwestern South Dakota, back through southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, and parts of eastern to western Kansas and southern Kansas as well. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Salina, Manhattan, Grand Island, Kearney, and North Platte under the significant severe. Lincoln, Topeka, Salina, Manhattan, and Grand Island under the 5%. And Kansas City, Omaha, Wichita, and Amarillo and Overland Park under the 2%. So for the 5% hatched area, we could see an EF1, maybe an EF2 tornado possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow. And 2% we could see an EF0, maybe EF1 tornado possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses central and northern Kansas and southern Nebraska. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, southwestern to northeastern Kansas, parts of southern to central Nebraska, and western Missouri. We have a 15% normal that encompasses extreme northeastern Colorado and southwestern Nebraska. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, northwestern and central Nebraska, and southwestern Iowa, western Illinois, northern and central Missouri, southeastern Kansas, and central Nebraska. So we do have those areas under a 5%. And we have a 5% hatch that encompasses northern Texas Panhandle and parts of western Oklahoma. So we do have those areas also under a 5% hatched. We also have 5% over here that encompasses western to northern Utah and southern Idaho. So we do have those areas as well under a 5%. We have Kansas City, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Amarillo under the significant severe. Salina, Manhattan, Kearney, Hastings, and Hays under the 30%. Kansas City, Wichita, Lincoln, and Overland Park under the 15%. And Omaha, Des Moines, Amarillo, Salt Lake City, and West Valley City under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see up to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% hatched, we also could see up to 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% normal, we could see up to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% hatched, we could see up to 65 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. And 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% hatch that there's a reset that encompasses eastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, and southwestern Nebraska. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses northern Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, eastern Wyoming, western and central Nebraska, and northern to southwestern Kansas. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses northern Kansas and southern Nebraska. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses eastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, and we have a 5% normal that encompasses parts of eastern Colorado, eastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, western to central Oklahoma, central to eastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, eastern to northeastern Nebraska, southwestern South Dakota, and eastern Wyoming, as well as parts of eastern Montana. So we do have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. We have Fort Collins, Greeley, Loveland, Cheyenne, and Bridgeton under the significant severe. We have Garden City, Kansas under the 30%. We have Grand Island, Kearney, Dodge City, North Platte, and Hastings under the 15%. And Kansas City, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Des Moines under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area, we could see 3.5 to 4 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 15% hatched, we could see 3 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% hatched, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says severe thunderstorms are likely across parts of the Central Plains vicinity from Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Large to very large hail, severe wind, some 75 plus miles per hour, and tornadoes are possible. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's hail risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware, stay safe, take today to prepare for tomorrow. And I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning in the day 1 outlook tomorrow. So anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.